Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY fashion. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. In video today, I'm going to be making a WRAP tie midi dress with puffy sleeves and ruffle at the bottom of skirt. Hope you enjoy it and let's get started. I picked up this fabric with floral on it. I love floral, lace, and the color of fabric. It's really pretty. Especially the texture is so smooth and soft when I touch it. I use my own simple drop dress as the sample to draw pattern. Includes 2 front top pieces, 1 back top pieces, 2 front skirt pieces, and 1 back skirt pieces. For sleeve, I divide it into 6 panels and paste them on another paper at a distance of 3.5 cm, and we got a bigger sleeve. Alright, it's time to connect front top and back together at the shoulder. Now, I already cut a strap with 3 cm to cover the neckline. Align it on top and sewing. Fold it double tie into the wrong size and stitch it. Moving on to skirt, I'm going to search in front of skirt and fold it inside to sewing. Next, sew skirt and top together and searching to protect edges of fabric. Then, sewing both sides together. Moving on to sleeve, I'm going to stitch in 2 lines at the top of sleeve. And pull 2 threads above to gather fabric. Then sew both sides together. Then I'm going to sew the elastic into the end of sleeves. I use the elastic size 1 cm. Please adjust the length of elastic as you like. Now, pin the elastic into 4 parts of sleeves and serging. Then fold it inside and sew it. And now pin sleeve into the armhole to sew in and serge it. I already cut 2 steps with 3 cm width and 70 cm length to make string. After the string was done, pin it into the connection point between top and skirt and sew it. Now, at the right side up top, I'm going to cut a small hole and sew it by hand to protect fabric. We will pass the string through this hole. Last step, making ruffle. I already cut some panels with 8 cm width and stitching them together. Next, I use nail tool to help me gather fabric. Because there are no enough fabric, then I'm not gathering fabric at the end. I'll connect this part on the hidden front skirt. Now, it's time to bring the ruffle into the bottom of skirt and sew them together. Then I'm going to stitching the outside to finish the dress. Here the final result. Hope you enjoy it and see you next week. Bye!